tow kings, tow specialists, tow enthusiasts, stick with me guys, because this puppy, it's got a lot of everything. Four and a half ton Pro Series plant trailer. We've got all our standard heavy duty coupling, handbrake cable, 7-pin flat, 1 ton jack stand. Bare wheel is housed under this cover. It's obviously protected, so you can load pallets on there, machines, buckets, whatever you want to do. Your spare wheel stays protected. Nice little feature. Featuring our standard in-floor deck infill panels. So these are all extras. You've got the 2 at the front here, either side of the drawbar. You've got the 2 down the centre. The reason we do these as bolt-in additions is purely for the fact most people want to save weight. However, when you've got a 4.5 ton tow rig and you need to cart various machines and equipment, these extra panels give you the versatility that's needed. The standard features again is our welded in floor sheets, our chain slots, our welded in Tandem points either side. We've also got these little bolt-in Tandem points as well that can be moved down the chassis or taken out if you don't need them. Pretty cool feature. We've also got the mudguard infill panels. These again are a bolt-in option, protects your load from your wheels and tyres flicking up dirt, rubble, road grime, etc. onto your machines. At the rear of the trailer, like I touched on at the front, we've got the chain and Tandem points. We've also got your welded on points, but customers opted for our bolt-in heavy duty chain and straps toolbox. Great additions, obviously steel construction, ultra heavy duty, perfect for chains, straps, grease guns, any loose items you want to keep secure, and you can also lock it as well. We do a lockable latch at the back of it. At the rear of our trailer, obviously all Pro Series plant trailers have the beaver tail, but we've also got our ultra heavy duty scissor lift style ramp. So the benefit of these ramps, as you can see, they're a lot longer than standard. They're over 2 meters long, but we've also welded in these additional infill pieces. So what that means is anything with a small wheel, so whether that's a scissor lift or a low profile car with smaller wheels, you don't want it to be, I guess, bouncing over the ramps as it goes up. You want it to be nice and smooth. There's also reduced clearance between the trailer and the ramp at the back, and then also the ramp sits perfectly on the ground down the bottom there. Another feature of these ramps, obviously being that over 2 meters long, your approach angles are a lot less, but also being the full width as well, it gives you options if you want to load a skid steer, if you want to load an excavator, if you want to load a roller, if you want to load a scissor lift, even a four-wheel drive. You've got options there. The ramp does not limit you as to what you can load. Suspension, wheels and tyres opted on this one is our standard 16-inch Land Cruiser 5-stud wheels, along with the 235/70 light truck tyre on our 4.5 ton drop axles and 4.5 ton rocker roller suspension. For all you tow haul enthusiasts out there, perhaps you've got a Ford Ranger Super Duty, a Land Cruiser, a Ram, a Chevy, an F-Truck, a Tundra, whatever it might be, and you want a trailer that does it all, you've got the ability to tow 4.5 ton, hit us up guys, because this, it could well suit your needs.